Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving right into the video, starting with the dishwasher. It's been quite a while since I last gave it a good scrub. Between all the hand washing I do, I honestly can't remember the last time I ran it, but it definitely is overdue for a good cleaning. I'm also placing a small solar light into the top rack so that I can actually see while I'm cleaning, and you can actually take a look at all the gunk that's inside.
Let me show you the way, girl. I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what.
I removed the filter and I noticed there is a puddle of water. It's normal for a small amount of water to collect here, but if it starts to build up, there's likely a clog that needs to be drained. I'm not exactly sure how to do that myself, so I'm hoping Andrew knows. If not, I may have to contact maintenance.
Honest, tell me why. I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. I'ma say every day, you got me hypnotized. Take a shot on the dot, all we got is tonight. So can you call? Cause nobody knows how far we go. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Want you to know the silence so loud. I'm running out of patience. I need your love, babe. I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth?
You might get a laugh at this. I'm using this tiny little brush to get into all the crevices of the filter. I didn't have anything else on hand, so I'm using what I got.
I'm feeling you, oh, oh. Be honest, tell me what, honest, tell me what. I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you, oh, oh. Be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Join till you give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow.
Scooping out this amount of water completely filled the container, and there's still more water left inside. I'm gonna go ahead and check YouTube to see if this is an easy fix before it gets worse. And if it's not, then we will put in that maintenance request. I'm going to spray everything down with my diluted vinegar and use the same tiny little brush to scrub that gunk. I was expecting to take more time with that, but it came off fairly easy.
You think about it too, when the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
We're in the crowd, everybody's dancing now. Let's leave them behind. You saying get my jacket. We're in your house, but it feels like home somehow. Can't deny this is where I'm supposed to be tonight. And love is paradise. Said I shouldn't stay, but you look so pretty, pretty boy. Won't go all the way, but I'll let you pretty, pretty close. You've got that look in your eyes, oceans deep. It looks like I don't have a choice.
So I forgot to put these in the dishwasher and it's already done. So it's the next day and I'm gonna go ahead and tackle the refrigerator. I'm not gonna tackle the freezer because I already done that. There was some frozen meat blood, so I took care of that right away. I didn't want it just sitting in there, so I took care of that a few days ago. So let's go ahead and tackle the refrigerator.
Look so pretty, pretty boy. Cherry on top when I'm getting under you. That 70s pop playing from your speakers. Ooh, this kind of touch is one I can't afford to lose. All the stars in the sky and the shining silver moon. Got nothing on you. Said I shouldn't stay, but you look so pretty, pretty boy. Won't go all the way, but I'll let you pretty, pretty close. You've got that look in your eyes, oceans deep. It looks like I don't have a choice when you look so pretty, pretty boy. I'll stay a while, maybe all your life. Let me be your love for now, 'cause you're so damn fine.
I started cleaning the doors first instead of taking everything out. I wanted to keep some of the dairy products inside a little bit longer rather than having them sit out.
Said I shouldn't stay, but you look so pretty, pretty boy. Won't go all the way, but I'll let you pretty, pretty close. You've got that look in your eyes, oceans deep. It looks like I don't have a choice when you look so pretty, pretty boy. 춤춰 걷지 말고 follow let me hear you say 이건 warning sign 거침없이 더 올라가 내 머릿속에 deep inside now Hey say my name 입을 잠겨 just like bubblegum 더 크게 불러봐 say my name Bass drop.
We just finished the season of Stranger Things. If you haven't seen it yet or somehow never heard of it, which I find it very impossible, you definitely need to watch it on Netflix because it's so good. Just a heads up, the final episode is basically a movie, so expect to be watching for about 2 hours. Dustin is my favorite character. He's absolutely hilarious and always has us cracking up. We ended up starting the season over again, so we're back to season one. It did take us a while to find a new TV show to watch, but right now we're watching His and Hers, which is on Netflix. Aside from TV shows, I really want to get back into reading. I know I read to my kids all the time, but I would love to just pick out a book and read something that I would enjoy. I think Barnes and Noble is still having their 50% off hardcover sale, so I definitely plan on grabbing a few books for myself as well as the kids.
Say my name Bass drop 더 높이 let it shake 너도 모르게 빠져가 Say my name No turning back too late now 너도 몰래 빠져들어 hush 이제 멈추지마 we don't stop No fear no shame Say my name 잊지 못한 내 face 세상에 날 want the crown on my head 날 보면 모두 다 wow 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 Flash camera 다 click click pop 내 vibe 마치 gold 춤추듯 걸어 신바르는 새빙 Tick and talk 시간이 흘러가 더 늦기 전에 날 따라 이리 on Let's make it loud 오늘 밤에 미쳐 돌아가 Rhythm 위에 춤춰 걷지 말고 follow Let me hear you say 이건 warning sign 거침없이 더 올라가 내 머릿속에 deep inside now Hey say my name 입에 다 감겨 just like bubblegum 더 크게 불러봐 Say my name Bass drop 더 높이 let it shake 너도 모르게 빠져가 Say my name No turning back too late now 너도 몰래 빠져들어 hush 이제 멈추지마 we don't stop No fear no shame Say my name Now watch me burn it up 한번 보면은 forget me Say my name 더 크게 외쳐봐 너와 다른 level now Say my name 날 보면 다 Say my name Oh my god 너도 따라 불러봐 Just like that Say my name 입에 다 감겨 Just like bubblegum 더 크게 불러봐 Say my name Bass drop 더 높이 let it shake 너도 모르게 빠져가 Say my name No turning back too late now 너도 몰래 빠져들어 hush 이제 멈추지마 we don't stop No ricochet, it will come back to you. Cause I don't care about you anymore. So you can't hurt me like you did before. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. Not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I used to let it in, all the things you said. You tried to.
One thing I noticed while filming this entire video is that I wasn't interrupted until now. Melanie came over asking for some juice, but up until that moment, no one was crying, calling for me, or getting in my way. I didn't have to stop once. Honestly, I really enjoy that. And don't get me wrong, I love my kids, I love my husband. It's just that I prefer getting everything done without having to stop.
Turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Cause I don't care about you anymore. So you can't hurt me like you did before. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall.
The inside didn't look too bad at first, so I started wiping it down with a wet paper towel and a little bit of soap. As I was wiping down, I noticed there was some buildup on the glass, so I decided to take the entire piece out and bring it over to the sink for a better clean.
Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
Cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain. Can't be nothing. Cause
I like saving this piece for last. It's the biggest one, and you'll see why in just a few seconds. So I made a mess. It's all over the floor now.
just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to keep it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running round in my head, all or nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you.
Now that the refrigerator is looking all nice and clean, we can now finally go grocery shopping. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to keep it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me